Hi, I'm Keith, founder and general manager of Tuck, and today we'll be reviewing the Nest Bedding Alexander Hybrid Mattress. Testing the mattress today, we have our lightweight sleeper Rachel, our average weight sleeper Jackson, and our heavyweight sleeper Isaac. Setting up the Nest Bedding Alexander Hybrid mattress is quite easy. We recommend enlisting a helper because even though the mattress comes compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unbox and unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Full recovery should happen within the first 24 hours. The Nest Alexander Hybrid is a 13.5-inch hybrid mattress. The cover is made from quilted phase change material. The comfort layers consist of 1.5 inches of 4 PCS gel memory foam, 1.5 inches of 1.5 PCF Titan chill foam, and 1.5 inches of 3.5 PCF copper-infused Energex foam. The support core is made up of 1-inch 3 PCF support polyfoam over 8 inches of individually wrapped zoned pocketed coils. The feel of a mattress is largely determined by its firmness and construction. This tends to be fairly uniform across each mattress type. The Alexander Hybrid has 3 firmness options: Plush, Medium, and Luxury Firm. Today, we are looking at the Medium, which we have rated as a 5.5 on the firmness scale, while the Plush is a 3 and the Luxury Firm is a 7.5. The mattress is generally responsive and bouncy while still conforming for a fair amount of pain and pressure relief. In the mattress world, support is defined as spinal alignment. In this test, we'll be looking at how well each of our sleepers' spines are kept in alignment when lying on their side. Our testing found the Alexander Hybrid to have good support across all 3 weight groups. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion. This is especially important for co-sleepers so you don't feel your partner's movements across the surface of the bed. We found the Alexander Hybrid exhibited good motion isolation as shown by the water test performed by Isaac. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support are harder to get in and out of and can leave sleepers with the feeling of roll-off, which is akin to the mattress ejecting the sleeper. Our testing showed the edge support on the Alexander Hybrid to be very good. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increasing amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the Alexander Hybrid mattress offers very good pressure relief across all weight groups and sleeping positions. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. Our testing found that the Alexander Hybrid retains minimal body heat and sleeps fairly cool for most sleepers. Now, let's review how the Nest Bedding Alexander Hybrid stacked up in our mattress tests. For support, this hybrid mattress received very good marks for light and average weight sleepers and good for heavyweight sleepers. This mattress earned a good in motion isolation. This mattress received very good ratings for edge support and pressure relief for light and average weight sleepers, while getting good ratings for heavyweight pressure relief and temperature neutrality. If you prefer a traditional memory foam or all foam feel and/or sleep on your stomach, you might want to consider a different mattress. If you are a side or back sleeper, like choosing your firmness, and tend to sleep hot, the Alexander Hybrid could be a great fit for you. For those considering the Alexander Hybrid, Nest offers a 100-night sleep trial. You can rest easy as you safely test the mattress for up to 100 nights to ensure that it's the right fit. Additionally, the mattress ships free and comes with a lifetime warranty. For up-to-date pricing and discounts available exclusively for Tuck followers, check out the description below or visit the written review on tuck.com. That's it for our review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Visit tuck.com to read the full written review and to continue your sleep search. If you'd like a personalized recommendation from one of our team, please comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Sleep well.